Hello guys, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. It's Michael here, and as I've told you guys before, I have a review channel called Blue Hand Review, and I'm slowly integrating my videos into our channel. I don't have time for two channels. You know, I work full time and I got other little things I do. So two channels is just too much for me. So I'm going to do my reviews on our channel here. Until I can get over in the Philippines, and then we'll do videos from over there. But until the restrictions are lifted, gotta stay here. So we'll do this. So I got my handy dandy knife out here, and we got a shipment from a company that I do reviews for. Alright, little box in a box trick. So, it's the GEYIIE. I call it GEYIIE. I might be saying it wrong, but that's what I call it. GEYIIE. And it's a tool set for the toys, right? So let's get it. Alright, so let's give a little example of a diagram here on the end of the box of the tool that's supposed to be in there. We'll see. And it's power tool set, power your hands, GEYIIE, the toy manufacturer, the Chinese, made in China, right there. And I'm looking for an age rating, 3+. So it's 3+ years old, and I think on the Amazon it said up to 12 years old. So must be trying to open the wrong side. Yeah. So, comes with a nice little case. Just a little case out, you know. I mean, this is for 3 years old and up. Just a little case out. Tool set be like that, you know. Carry it around, put it on his little shoulder, you know. Let's see what's inside. It's got a little satisfaction card there. Ziploc bag, that's nice. And here's the little play gun. I don't know what this all does, but it probably doesn't do anything. It doesn't have a battery in here. I mean, you know, it's just got fake. Battery would come off if it was real, if you did that, you know. It's got fake stuff. The trigger does push. The little forward and reverse moves. Got a little setting up here they can play with. So it's got kind of like the idea of the real deal built into it. So, okay, so it just kind of twists off. One it off. Got your little things to go inside. I don't think it turns any other than just by hand, you know. Got the drill bit, got the Phillips head bit. And of course it's got the flat blade. Flat blade. Get it out, Mike, get it out. But yeah. So that's the little gun part, what I would call the gun. You call it the gun, Mr. Phil?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Phil agrees. But it comes in a nice little bag, you know, that's a good touch for the packaging. And then we got all kind of stuff here. Got a little level, got a little ball inside of it. Not really going to be anything accurate, but it's probably not too bad, to be honest with you. Little hammer, a multi-tool. Got a little right angle square. So let's kind of line this stuff up. Right angle square, little hammer. Got these little doohickeys here. I don't know what they are, so that means they're a doohickey. Got some screws at the ends. 3, 4. Looks like that they'll go into this, but apparently not. Got a little wrench. Got us a little Phillips screwdriver here. Got more of these things. Yeah. Put some of it on the ground, of course. Got your little screws in your nuts, right? Something I dropped, which is this. More screws and some more nuts. So it's a screwdriver, got a little Phillips, that'll come off. Put the little flat blade on. I suppose these are to kind of put them together. Got some screws. Got your little wrench. Put a couple of them together, I suppose. Well, yeah, they seem to be, you know, the threads are really big, which is good because they're not going to be hard. I mean, they're going to be harder to mess them up, you know, for a kid. Little wrench, screwdriver. These here look like you just kind of pound them in. And then you got a puller. Pull them back out. I guess my hands are just too big. The kid hands. But yeah. So as far as are they solid? They're pretty solid. I mean, they're plastic. But they don't feel like they're gonna fall apart. Feels like they'll last a while. This doesn't have a battery or anything, but it has all the fake switches, including down to the battery. You know, think about a 3, 4, 5, 6-year-old, something like that. I think it'd be pretty cool, you know, if they gotta be with dad, and dad got all kind of tools, you know. That's gonna be cool for the little man. So I say it's a pretty decent spec. Go on there to Amazon, check it out, see what you think. But I think it would be okay for a kid. Now it does have some small parts, but I'm thinking they're probably not going to choke on this. Maybe 3-year-old or something might be curious enough to throw it in his mouth and something could happen, but 3-year-old you're probably going to be supervising anyway. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I'd give it a thumbs up, you know. I forget how much it was. I want to say it was about $34, $35, something like that. And this is what you get. So if you're looking for a tool set for a grandson or a son, maybe even a daughter. I know girls that I grew up with, they like to work with the tools too. So, yeah. Alright folks, so that's going to wrap up the little review that we got here. Again, it's GEYIIE. 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 Power tool set. Power in your hand. Look it up on Amazon. I know if you put GEYIIE in there, you'll come up with a lot of toys. So you'll find them. Thanks for looking in. We appreciate it. And as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.